Mechanical tap timers are available in two different models. The 2-hour mechanical tap timer Essential Series 3 with a single outlet and the 2-hour mechanical tap timer Essential Series 13 with a dual outlet. The Essential Series single outlet tap timer offers easy manual operation. This timer requires manual start and delivers automatic shut-off. The watering run time can be set to a maximum of 2 hours with 15-minute markers set on the dial to assist with time setting. No batteries are required and the timer has a manual override, so it waters until you decide to turn it off. The tap timer is perfect for small garden beds where manual control is preferred or infrequent watering is required. The timer also offers a good solution for sprinklers connected to a garden hose for small lawns. The Essential Series 13 dual outlet tap timer offers 2 channels for dual operation. This timer offers dual functionality. Each outlet can be operated independently and is perfect for medium garden beds where manual control is preferred or infrequent watering is required. For further information on tap timer videos, visit our website at holmanindustries.com.au.